So basically, in the description of this video, there's going to be a Google Drive link where you can basically download the sound pack. So what we are going to do right now is we're going to head there and install it. Here, as you can see, it's the Gun and Siren pack. You're just going to hit the download button. It's going to take a while. Alright, cool. Now you can see that it is downloaded. So you can just minimize the tab. And then, as you can see, if you go to the download thing, you can see the Gun and Siren pack mod. We're gonna press this. We're just basically gonna leave this right here. We're gonna go to this PC. We're gonna go to the local disk. Just basically find your GTA files. Mine's are program files, Epic Games, GTA V. And here you're gonna see X64. You're gonna press this. You're gonna go to audio, SFX, and then you're gonna drag and drop them here. Just Resident and Weapons Player, and you're gonna drag both of these over here. Boom. You're gonna press replace, and then there you have them.